we have now got for the next question, two equal masses of 3 kg are connected by a light string which is passing over a pulley. A third mass of 3 kg is laid on one of them. Find the acceleration and the difference in the thrust on the pulley. So it is a very simple question, and if 3 kg mass is added on one side, already a 3 kg mass is there. So 3 plus 3 will become 6 kg on one side, other side is 3. So 6 and 3 is what you will have to take and solve the problem. So simple it is, and therefore what we will have in this case is that the acceleration is equal to m1 minus m2 divided by m1 plus m2 into g. So by putting the values, now m1 is equal to 3 plus another 3 equal to 6 minus 3. And then it is 6 plus 3 into 10. So that will be equal to so many meters per second square. So this will be g by 3 or 10 by 3. So the acceleration will be equal to 3.33 meters per second square. Now thrust. You see, at the start when the body is not moving. So what will be the thrust? Because the body is not moving at the start, so one side we are having 3g, another side we are having the tension T. Because it is all at rest. Another side also we are having 3 kg only when the body is at rest. So at rest means forces in opposite direction will balance, therefore we will get T equal to 3g newtons, which is equal to 30 newtons because G is 10. So that will be the value of the tension. Finally, what will be the thrust? So the thrust at the beginning will be equal to, at the beginning, that will be equal to 2T, that is equal to 4 m1 m2 by m1 plus m2 into g. So by putting the values, it will be 4 into m1 is 3 and m2 is also 3. At the beginning we have to find, then also find at the end after putting another 3 kg mass, then see the difference. That is the question. So 4 into 3 divided by 3 plus 3 into 10. So that will be equal to 3 into 3 is 9, 9 into 4 is 36, and here it will be 6. 36 by 6 will be equal to 6. So this is all 36 by 6. So it will be 6. 6 into 10. So it will be equal to newtons. So that is equal to 60 newtons. So next, find the acceleration and the difference in the thrust. Acceleration has been found out, the thrust at the beginning has been found out, and we have to now say what is the final thrust. For finding the final thrust, we have to find out what will be the final tension. To find out the final tension, we will call it as T1 or maybe T dash, which is equal to 2 TH dash will be equal to 2 T dash, which will equal to 4 M1 M2. Now M2 will be the same. For M1 3 plus another 3 kg added, so it will be 6 kg now. Okay. So then we have got 4m divided by m1 plus m2 into g. So the new thrust will be equal to 4 into. Now m1 is equal to 6. m2 will remain 3 as usual, divided by 6 plus 3. And into g, of course. So that will be into 10. Will be equal to 6 into 3 is 18 into 4 will be 72. 72 divided by 6 plus 3 is 9. So 72 by 9 is equal to 8 into 10 is equal to 80 newtons. Try one more time if you want. 6 into 3 is 18. 18 into 4 is 72. And 6 plus 3 is 9. 72 by 9 is 8. 8 into 10 is 80. So the new thrust is 80 newtons. And difference in the thrust will be therefore difference. Therefore, difference in thrust is equal to, will be 80 minus, before it was 60, now 80. So difference will be 80 minus 60 newtons. So will be equal to therefore 20 newtons. Right. So this question is also over. Then we have got yet another question, which is a mass of 3 kg descending vertically draws up a mass of 2 kg over a pulley. The string is cut after 5 seconds. How high will the 2 kg mass rise further? Okay. It's a simple problem. We have done a problem already like this, so I leave it for you to try it out. In case of difficulties, then we are always there. We'll in touch with one another and inform us about your doubt. Will be definitely clarified. Okay. We'll now move on to more questions on connected masses.